Welcome to the Eastwood Harris Proprietary Limited Primavera P6 PPM Professional Video Training Course. Course objectives. The aim of this course is to teach participants an introduction into the user interface, how to plan projects without resources. Then we go on to filter, layouts and printing. Then we talk about baselining and updating an unresourced project. Then creating and assigning roles and resources, controlling projects with resources and costs, setting up and administering a database plus advanced features such as import and export, and we look at activity codes, user-definable fields and global change. First of all, we look at planning projects without resources. We have introduction, creating project plans, a bit of background on planning and scheduling. We'll look at how to start up P6 and navigate around the screens, how to create a project, how to define calendars, how to create a project WBS, adding activities and organizing them under the WBS, formatting the display, adding relationships, activity network view, and constraints. And at that point in time, you will have enough information to be able to create a project in P6. We then go and look at filters, layouts, printing and reports. This is how you get the information out of the software. We talk about group source and layouts, filters, printing reports and visualizer. We then look at baselining and updating unresourced schedules. We look at schedule options and setting a baseline. And then we look at how to update an unresourced schedule. We're then moving on and look at how to create a resource schedule. We look at user administration preferences first, get a better understanding of how the project calculates resource schedules. We'll look at how to create roles and resources and how to assign roles, resources and expenses to a program to produce a cache loaded and resource loaded schedule. Next, we look at controlling projects with resources and costs. We look at resource optimization, histograms and tables, how to update a resource schedule, and then we look at setting up and administering database plus advanced features. We look at other methods of organizing project data, global change, managing the enterprise environment, multiple project scheduling, utilities, and earned value. Understanding the workshops. There are comprehensive workshops at the end of most modules to enable the students to practice the skills taught in the module. The student workshops at the end of each chapter in the Eastwood Harris P6 books, and you're welcome to buy a paper or ebook copy, and links are at primavera.com.au. On the other hand, you don't need to purchase a book. You may download a PDF extract of the book from this website that includes all the workshop directions. There are issues with P6 activity layout formatting. You'll be directed to download and import a primavera.com.au layout to save time formatting your own P6 layouts. If you wish to start halfway through the workshops or wish to check your answers, you may download and import completed workshops. Downloading workshop files. The only workshop file you have to download is the primavera.com.au layout. So the files may be downloaded from www.primavera.com.au. Completed workshops are in a zip file that will require unzipping before importing into P6. And a simple method of unzipping files is to double click on the zip file to open it and then click and drag the files inside the zip onto your desktop, and then you may then import them from your desktop. The zip files contain all the completed workshops and the layouts that you'll be creating while doing the workshops, and if you wish you can import them into your database for checking your answer. P6 XML or XER files may be imported using the file import option. The layout files may be imported from the Activities window by selecting View, Layout, Open Layout option, and the version of the P6 software that the PLF layout file was exported from is included in its name, so you'll find on my website that there are several versions of the PLF files. How to download these files will be shown in detail at the appropriate place in this course.